Steve's travel blog. Kazakhstan is a huge country full of interesting things to see and do. It is an excellent destination for those who love swimming and visiting water attractions. There is a beach in Astana that's unlike any other. It's indoors. It's inside the Khan Shatir, a huge shopping and entertainment center. Although it isn't as big as some beaches, it always has a warm tropical climate, even when it's minus 30 degrees outside. The white sand comes from the Maldives, and the water is lovely and warm. Another great place to visit is Almaty Central Park. It is home to the amazing Aqua Park, an excellent place to escape the summer heat. In August, it can get as hot as 35 degrees, so it's really nice to cool down in the pool and go on the water slides. If you want to go somewhere really different, then you should visit Chunza. It's much smaller than Almaty or Astana, but it has more than 140 mineral springs. This place is a 5-hour drive east of Almaty. But it's worth it, because on the way you can see the picturesque Kokpek Pass and the Sharin River. It's a perfect place to relax,